Hi Stampers, I'm Nancy Novak from stampandshout.com. Welcome back to my channel. Well, Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I have an absolutely stunning card to share with you today. We're going to create a fun fold. It's an easel card and I am using the Hearts of Elegance Bundle, which is the stamp set and dies. We're going to have layered hearts and pretty textures and pops of red, white, and pink. And I'll show you how to use some of this beautiful paper. This is paper that I got free from the Sale-a-Bration catalog. So we're going to use this piece right here. It comes in a pack of 12 and it's beautiful on both sides. When you have pretty paper like this, it's hard to decide which side to use. And stick around because I'll share tips on adding texture and dimension that will really elevate the card to the next level. It's so beautiful. And as a bonus, I'll give you a link for even more of my design ideas so you can get even more fun from this Hearts of Elegance bundle. So let's get started. So yeah, this is the pretty paper. It's called Bloom Impressions. And again, this is just one piece out of the 12 sheets that you get. And we have the Hearts of Elegance stamp set. And these are the coordinating dies. So I do have another video out there, and at the end of this video there's a link and it'll take you right over there so you get lots more ideas on a couple of other cards using this bundle. And then I'm going to incorporate the heart-shaped stamp set, and I'm actually just going to use this one little flower die. And if you watched me regularly last week, you saw I made 3 different cards with you using the heart-shaped bundle. And I just wanted to tell you one thing that I changed. So here were our 3 cards. And also there's a video on this. You can go back and check that video out. And then there was this card, the little flip card. Well, on this one, what I changed is I used a little bit of glimmer paper instead of Summer Splash. I had a Summer Splash heart under there, and I still have it there. But I added that glimmer paper, and I just think it really makes this card pop. It's really pretty. So I wanted to bring that up to you in case you are going to recreate that card. Try the glimmer paper. It's really pretty. Okay, on to today's card. Okay, so I have my card base of white, and I have another piece of white, and then I have my layering pieces, one for the inside. So I have Melon Mambo and white for the inside and Melon Mambo and white for the front, a strip of Melon Mambo, and a strip of that pretty designer series paper. And then for scraps, I have white. This little strip will be for our sentiment. And then I have Melon Mambo and pretty in pink. So don't forget, I always have a project sheet for you, free project sheet. All you need to do is sign up for my newsletter, and then after the video, I send that project sheet right to your email address, so you don't have to do anything. There's a link to sign up for my newsletter in the description below this video, or if you want to scroll all the way down, you'll find another link for the project sheet. But it's just easier to sign up for my newsletter. It's so easy. I send it right to you right after the video is done. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take this white piece, which is your normal card measurement of 8.5 by 5.5. And I'm going to bring in my scoreboard. We're going to score it at 4 1/4 and 2 1/8. Okay, so I'm just going to fold it in half on that center score line. And then our 2 1/8 score line, I'm just going to flip it back. Okay, so we folded it in half like we always do, but then we folded this piece back. And my card's going to be horizontal, so I'm going to turn it that way. Then I'm going to bring this piece in, and this is 5.5 by 4 1/4. So it's the exact same size as our card base. And I'm just going to put some glue just on that front flap. So just that little flap right there. And then we're going to attach this to the front of the card. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So again, we just put glue on that flap and took this 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece, same size as your card base, and we just put it right on the top there. And that's going to create our little front of the card for our easel. I'm going to bring in our scraps and we're going to do a little bit of cutting. So on the Pretty in Pink and the Melon Mambo, I'm going to bring in that flower stamp, and I'm going to cut out 3 of each color. So I'm going to have 3 pink flowers and 3 Melon Mambo flowers. And then on this scrap here, I'm going to bring in our Hearts of Elegance, and I'm going to cut out this heart right here in white. And then I'm going to bring in one of our layered pieces, and I'm going to cut out the largest heart, and it just fits. And I'm going to use this card, this piece right here, after I cut out the heart, I'm going to use it as a layering piece. It's just exactly right. And you'll see how there's just the teeniest, tiniest border when we get done. So let me cut these pieces out. I'm going to fast forward, and I will be right back. Okay, so we have a big white heart that we cut out, and we have the big Melon Mambo heart we cut out, and then we have this piece which we're going to use for our layering piece, and then I have flowers. I have 3 pink ones and 3 Melon Mambo ones. So now I'm going to bring in this piece, and I'm going to cut out a little banner piece, and again this is with one of the dies that's in the heart-shaped dies. That's one of the free items in the Sale-a-Bration catalog. So I'm going to cut that banner piece out. Okay, there's that. So I'm going to take our white heart, and I'm going to bring in Melon Mambo ink, and I'm going to stamp Love You right in the center of that heart, and then we're going to bring in our embossing folders and do some really pretty texturizing on our card. Okay, so I have 2 of the newer embossing folders, the dotted circle and the plaid one, and we're going to take the plaid one and we're going to emboss the white heart. Then I'm going to bring in one of my front layering pieces, and I'm going to emboss that with the dotted circles. And these 2 embossing folders really, really complement each other beautifully. So let me get that done really quick, and then we're going to put our card together. Okay, so we have our pretty dotted circles, and then this one has the plaid on it. Very pretty. Okay, so we're going to put our card together, make this really cool easel card. So I'm bringing our card base, and I'll bring our layering piece of Melon Mambo. Actually, I'm going to use this piece here. I want to show this to you. So this is going to layer on here. I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together. And even though I cut that heart out, I'm going to still be able to use this as a layering piece. It's going to fit just perfectly. And if you're a little worried about doing that, then you can just cut your heart out of a scrap of Melon Mambo. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue the dotted circles to our layering piece, and then I'm going to glue our white heart to our Melon Mambo heart. So just a little teeny tiny border all the way around on that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this front piece and I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the front of our card. So we've got our easel kind of made, and this is just going to be glued right on the front. Okay, so that's the front of the card. And now we're going to put our heart on here, but we're going to add our flowers first. So I'm going to glue a couple flowers here and there, and then I'm going to pop our heart up with dimensionals on the front of the card. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to bring in some of these pretty little rhinestones, and I've been using these a lot lately. These are ones that I got off of the Last Chance product list, and I'm going to put a little rhinestone in the middle of each flower. So pretty. And then I'm going to bring in, we're going to do a little bit more stamping. I'm going to bring in this little banner piece and then our inside piece. Now on the inside piece, I'm going to stamp in Melon Mambo, and I'm going to stamp Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to stamp it up near the top, and you'll see why when we open up the card how it looks. And then on this strip here, I am going to use the XO stamp. XOXO, Hugs and Kisses. So I'm going to start over here on the left, just like that. And then I'm going to glue these two pieces together, and then I'm going to glue them to the inside of our card. So the Hearts of Elegance Bundle is actually an online exclusive, so it's not going to be in a catalog. You can go online and shop for it. It's number 164916. But again, I have all the supplies listed for you on my blog. So it's really easy for you to go over to my blog and see all the supplies that I used. Plus, you'll see a great big picture of today's card. So you get to see it in a lot of detail. And remember, Sale-a-Bration is the perfect time to stock up on supplies, because as you're shopping, you can earn rewards to pick something out of the Sale-a-Bration catalog. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our strip of Melon Mambo and our strip of Designer Series paper, and we're going to glue those two together. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of that strip. We're going to open up our card, and we're going to lay this strip, it's popped up, we're going to lay it right at the bottom of our card base. Just like that. And since it's popped up, that's going to be the support for our easel card. See how it stands up like that? It's so, so pretty. And then we're going to take this piece, and you can either glue it down or you can pop it up, and I think I'll glue it down. So that's it for tonight's project. What do you think of this fun fold easel card? Kind of pretty, right? I used to make these all the time for my mom. She used to love getting an easel card. It was our thing, actually. So I think it's a perfect little card for Valentine's Day. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your crafty friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. And don't forget, if you'd like a step-by-step project sheet, check out the link in the description below, or sign up for my newsletter, and I will send that to you right after this video, right to your email address. And check out this link right here for more Hearts of Elegance card ideas. I'll see you next week. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.